If there's a diet out there, I've been on it. I've been to a number of different gyms over the years. So I would go in and I had no idea what I was doing. I would look at other people, try and do what they were doing, and I ended up hurting myself a number of times. And it was like, finally, I have to go work out with somebody that knows what they're talking about. So I came here. Because the coaches here are amazing. They watch you every step. They talk to you, they find out where you're at body-wise, what you can do if you have limitations. They work around everything. They build a plan specific to you. The most important thing is when you come in and you're doing the exercises, they make sure that you're doing them correctly. That is number one. At one point, I joined Coach Chelsea's nutrition program, and oh my God, I finally found out how to eat properly. It's only taken 66 years, but I got there. So for years, I would starve myself, you know, the less calories in, the more calories, and work out harder, and it doesn't work. Chelsea showed me the proper way. The amount of food she wants you to eat in a day, ladies, I'm telling you, it's incredible. I've never ate so much in my life, and I'm losing weight, and I'm gaining muscle. Go figure. Because at our age, it is so easy to hurt yourself if your exercising is not being done properly. And here the coaches make sure everything you do is to form and you don't get hurt. So come on out, join Ambassador. Best thing you'll do for your body, I tell you.